Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because I think I have mastered hot chocolate. And I'm gonna show you how you can master hot chocolate too. Come on. I'm gonna start by turning my stovetop on medium heat and finding a little saucepan or one like the one that's pictured here to pour my dairy into. You can also use a dairy substitute like coconut milk or almond milk. I'm a raw milk person, but you choose what makes you feel best about your life and doesn't make you sick. Next, I'm going to add some raw local honey to this little saucepan, and I do this to taste. I find that intuitive pouring of the honey is the best option. That's how I like to do it. After that, I put just a very little tiny bit of vanilla in, just a little bit, like 2 drops or something like that is what it ends up being. And then 2 heaping spoonfuls of unsweetened cocoa powder. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I can already tell. Actually, I'm in the future, and I already know it was delicious. Use a wire whisk to whisk this together for a long time. You'll want to basically keep whisking this until all the lumps and the cocoa powder are dissolved and the honey is all mixed in. And you want to make sure that you get your hot chocolate up to a temperature that is pleasant for drinking. Make sure to make a big mess when you pour it into your favorite mug as well. Once you have it poured into your favorite mug, you can enjoy this hot chocolate anywhere you like. I like to snuggle up on the sofa and enjoy this decadent beverage, and sometimes I even sit on top of the wood stove, but only when I'm filming YouTube videos. Also, I like to have a cup of hot cocoa by me when I'm reading personal development books. All kinds of them, not just the Happiness Advantage. I also read Business Boutique. On occasion, I will dress up and drink my hot chocolate just to feel fancy and like I'm a high-class dame. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it inspires you to get up and make some hot chocolate with some people you love or just by yourself as a little quiet time with a little treat for yourself. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more content like this. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday and have a great day today. Bye for now.